Time&I is now Lucen Track, part of Lucen Software, giving teams visibility into where time is going and how work is progressing.
Welcome! In this video tutorial, I will walk you through the process of connecting Time&I with Power BI, enabling you to analyze your productivity data and uncover actionable insights. Let's get started! To use Time&I as data source, head over to the Integration section and select Power BI. Then click the green button to download the Time&I connector. Save the MEDS file in the following folder. If the folder is missing, just create one. Once you've completed this first step, open Power BI Desktop and go to File. Move to Options and Settings and select Options. In the dialog, move to the Security tab and in the Data Extension section, enable the option stating Allow all extensions to load without validation or warning. Time&I should now be available when clicking on Get Data as a connector. After selecting Time&I, you will be asked to log in and give the connector permission to access your Time&I data. That's it! After you follow this procedure, you will be able to select Time&I as data source for creating visual dashboards on Power BI. Now, you can use your time records to build your dashboard and uncover useful insights that will boost your productivity. When you're satisfied with your report, you can easily share it via Microsoft Teams by clicking on the button in the top right corner. That's it for today. Happy tracking!
Lucen Software, helping teams plan, track, visualize, and communicate with confidence. Visit our website for additional resources and support.